What's good, YouTube? It's your boy G, also Wavy Man, back again with another video, back again with another banger, man. And today for y'all, I got a little unboxing, little sneaker review for y'all. I got the Jordan 3, I don't know the name of them. Palomino, Palo something, Jordan 3 something. What is the name? Okay, Jordan 3 Palomino. Fuck, Palomino. Jordan 3 Palomino. Jordan 3 Palomino. Jordan 3 Palomino. No, why are you saying no? Jordan 3 Palomino. Fuck, menu. Jordan 3 Palomino. I'm just gonna get the box. And I got the box right here. And I actually ordered these like the 18th was like 4 days ago, three or 4 days ago, something like that. And I paid for next day shipping. And Nike had a delay on my order or something, and they didn't come the next day. They came today, which is the 21st or 22nd, something today. So they came today. Today's 21st. They came today, but I paid for next day shipping, which was extra $40, and I ended up paying $240 for these, and they came 3 days later. So I need a refund, Nike. You know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and open this box. Oh my, look at this box. Yo, this box is tough. Right over there. Oh my, I be forgetting how like Jordan like boxes be coming like so like cool looking. Here's the box, once again for y'all right here. Here's the box. You know, it got that light brown, that dark brown, you know, the little contrasting brown colors right there. And I already ripped the paper, so like sneakerheads don't attack me because I did rip the paper. Like got that brown, that light brown, and that dark. Yeah, this looks amazing. I ain't gonna lie to you. Got them a 9.5. I know 3s fit a little tight, but my feet aren't that big, so got that. Nice white paper right there. And, you know, if your Jordans don't come with that paper, you know, they reps, my boy. Ain't nothing wrong with rips. I'm just saying, like, if you think you pay for the real thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm just letting y'all know. Whew. Oh my God, I ripped the paper. Oh my God, look at it. Hold on, I don't think it's getting the right color. Like, oh my God, look at, bro, hold on. This is a sexy shoe. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Oh my, bro. And the materials on this thing is crazy. I don't know if this is like, it's soft though. It's not suede, but it's like, I don't know. You can't really see the texture like too good with the camera, but like it's like soft, but it got like this canvas looking. This is hard. I'm not gonna lie, this is tough. I know this is suede on the tongue. Oh yeah, this is nice. Got that soft leather on the brown right here, that dark brown. These gotta be like the mochas of Jordan 3s. Like this is like the best, in my opinion, this is the best Jordan 3 colorway I ever seen. Like this is amazing. You got that gold on the back, gold on the tongue right here. Like, this is a great shoe. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is a great shoe. Inside, got the, got the gold Jumpman on the inside right there. Why did my camera get dark? But, yeah, this is a great shoe overall. Jordan popped that shit with these right here. Like, oh my. These are a great shoe. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm excited to wear these. Like, oh my God, the fit I'm gonna put together for these has gotta be crazy. Like, I'm thinking, shit, oh my. I don't even wanna talk about no outfit right now. I just wanna admire this shoe. Like, this is a great shoe. Jordan Brand did a great thing with these. And they don't come with extra laces, which is kind of a, what's the word I'm looking for? It's kind of disappointing because I'm surprised they didn't give us like no dark brown laces or maybe that yellow or yeah, anything like that. But they got these like off-whitish cream looking laces in already. I had an extra pair of cream laces I was gonna put in these, but I thought the laces were white. But yeah, even white laces, like some bright white laces would have been clean in these. Like, but overall, I'm not disappointed. This is a great shoe. Like, this is a great looking shoe overall. I will want to see how these fit actually. Maybe, well, they don't look like they ran smart. They look like they fit true to size. So I mean, if you're gonna buy them, I say get your size. Oh my god. But yeah, man, here they are out the box. Jordan 3 Palomino. I don't care. I can't say it. I don't give a fuck, and y'all shouldn't either. Gold Jumpman on the back. Those browns, and I think you can see the texture. Like, it's not really suede, and it's not leather, but it's like canvas. And you know, I got that brown on the front, that gold on the tongue, man. These are the most beautiful Air Jordan 3s I've ever seen in my life. I'm gonna keep it a buck. These are the most beautiful Jordan 3s I've ever seen in my life. Do y'all agree with me or do y'all disagree? And if y'all disagree, I really don't give a shit. This is my opinion, so you know, and you came here to watch my opinion, so hey, I was literally like, I was looking at the FedEx delivery thing for like an hour straight. Like, I promise you. Kind of sad that we didn't get any dark brown laces with these. Like, there was no extra laces at all. It just came with the off-white creamish color that it came with. But I mean, hey, can't be upset, can't be mad at the shoe. Like, I can't wait to wear these. This is a great shoe overall. And you know, follow me on Instagram at GOSOWavy, man. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.